Revive your spirit within us. Let your miracle begin. We are here in your presence. We've gathered in your name. Revive your spirit within us. Let your miracle begin. Let your power flow. Let your spirit move. Let it move right now and glorify your name. Let your power fall. Let your spirit